Hey operators, it's Nico, and today you'll see footage from the Op Force terrain in Veliki Preslav.
Напълно ги премазваме! Готови! Тук готови за старт? Да, Венко, сянка съм. 2, 1, старт! Един минут.
Fuck. Ударен! After spawn, I'm near the large building, which is already under our control. We have control over the situation, and I will try a solo mission to penetrate into the enemy's half. It seems that terrain is crossed by a wire fence that separates the two parts. Once I've crossed to the other side, I'm on the enemy territory and must cross very carefully. A group of several opponents passes through the bushes in front of me, but I decide not to reveal my position, because I'm without a cover. I decide not to risk pursuing the group, because I might end up between two enemy groups, or even encounter people from my faction who might confuse me due to my direction of movement. So I continue straight deep into enemy territory. I saw movement from an opponent who turned out to be already eliminated. Fortunately, I remain completely invisible to him, because there is a danger he might report in the respawn zone that there is an enemy deep into their territory. At least I understand which direction their respawn is. I've managed to reach a zone where I can hear many voices, and it seems I'm meters away from the enemy base. The situation is very tense because I hear sounds from everywhere. I distinguish footsteps of several people behind a wall, and I would try to get behind their backs, risking a lot with my movement because someone other might spot me. I just saw how the last of them passes through a hole in the wall from the other end. I'll try to change the position again and intercept them. A hasty decision to eliminate the first of them, because after him there are clear sounds that there are more people, and I'm alone without cover. I decided to go back in search of cover, or even a new maneuver around the wall.
Ударен! Дай бачи са бус.
I screw up. The game is resumed with side switching, and again the first task is to establish control of the large building.
Крата!
Ударен! We decided to make an approach of the left flank of the terrain and take advantage of the element of surprise.
Да.
We passed through the wire fence and we are now on the enemy territory, where we don't expect to encounter a large group, but perhaps individual guards.
Нямат видимост. Давайте направо.
Fortunately for us, we make a complete maneuver, and we are now behind the enemy from the other side of the building.
Трябва да внимавам и гръб обаче. Трябва да внимавам гръб. Тук сме жълти! Жълти сме! Жълти
It
сме!
turns out that the building has already been taken by our people.
Добре, че ни гръмна.
Lucky me, the grenade wasn't loaded.
Тук малко тръгна по нас, горе не са взеха само.
От долна страна тискат поне 4-ма. Оп! Извиняй. Какъв цвят си? А, добре.
Няма.
Пазя ти прозореца, да знаеш. Да, пазя прозореца гръб. Ти гледай напред. Ударен!
Убит, убит!
Убит!
Да, ти трябва да слушаш.
Ударен! Ударен! Ударен!
Знаеш, като направи една позиция много трудна за вземане, получавате 50 гранати вътре.
In the late afternoon, I'm heading on a mission to the right flank of the terrain, but the first problem appears with cramp in my leg. Little fella, future airsoft medic, helps me to continue in the game.
Сега лекичко, бавно, да. Добре, пускаме. Мерси.
The opponent is eliminated, but my gun stops shooting. Once it comes to the cables, it's time to put down the marker and head home. Thank you for being with me until the end of this video. See you at the next terrain.